Next question is 457.2 into 100. So same concept here. How many zeros after this one? There are 2 zeros. So shift the decimal point from left to right after 2 digits. So here number is 457.2, correct? So there only one digit after this decimal point, so we have to put here 0. So shift this decimal point after 2 digits, so here 1 and 2. So put here decimal point and again put here 0. So that means what is the answer here? After this decimal point the number is only 0, so you can remove this 0 and here what is the answer? 45720. So now the next example is example number 11th one, 145.8 into 1000. So in this example there are 3 zeros, right? So we have to shift decimal point after 3 digits, that means from left to right. So in this example after this decimal point only one digit, so we have to put 2 zeros after this 8. So decimal point is here, so shift after 3 digits, so 1 2 3. So what is the answer here? 145800. So now the next example is 0.0036 into 1000. So again how many zeros after this one? 3 zeros. Okay, so we have to shift decimal point after 3 digits. So here 1 2 3. So what is the answer here? Here 0.0036. So we have to shift the decimal point after 3 digits. So here 1 2 3. So what is the answer here? 3.6. So now next example is 75.38642 into 1000. Again here 3 zeros after this 1, so we have to shift here decimal point after 3 digits. So your answer is 75386.42. So 1 2 3. So that means we have to shift the decimal point after 3 digits. So your answer is 75386.42. So now next concept is multiplication of two decimals. So here first question is multiply 21.5 into 1.2. So now first remove the decimal point and calculate the multiplication. So here 215 into 112, that means 12. So 215 into 12, that is first multiply by 2. So 5 2s are 10, 1 is carry. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, answer is 3. 2 2s are 4. Now put here 0. 215 into 1, answer is 5 1s are 5, 1 into 1 1, 2 1s are 2. Add this, so your answer is 0 8 5 2, correct? So 2580. So now see here, how many digits after this decimal point? 1. How many digits after this decimal point? That is 1. So here total number of digits, that is a 2. So that means sum of the decimal places in the given decimal, which is equal to 1 in the first decimal point 1 digit, in the second decimal point decimal places are 1. So here 1 plus 1 2. So here multiplication of this question is 2580, right? But here decimal places here how much here? 2. So we have to put the decimal point from right to left after 2 digits. So your answer is 25.80. So now let's solve exercise 3.3, that is let us do 3.3. Question number A. Tick mark the correct answer. First example is the product of 2.3 into 2.5 is equal to option number A 5.75, option number B 57.5, option number C 0.575, option number D 575. So first remove the decimal point. So here 2.3, remove the decimal point here, so your number is 23. Remove the decimal point in the second number, so here 25. So multiply this 5 3 is a 15, 1 is carry, 5 2 is a 10, plus 1 11. So now multiply by 23 by 2. Okay, so 4 3 is a 2 3 is a 6, 2 2 is a 4. So your answer is 460. Okay, so now add this 5 plus 0 5, 1 plus 6 7, 1 plus 4 5. So multiplication of 23 into 25, answer is 575. So now see here in this example, decimal places, that means how many digits after this decimal place. So you 1, how many digits after this decimal point, that is 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So we have to leave the 2 digits from right to left and put the decimal point. So what is the answer here? 5.75. So answer of this question is option number A, 5.75. So now next example is 0.45 into 0.2 is equal to option number A 0.9, option number B 9, option number C 0.09, option number D 90. So first remove the decimal point. So here number is 45. In the second decimal number, remove the decimal point. So here number is 2 only. Okay, so 42 is a 45 2 is a, what is the answer? 90. So now see here how many decimal places here. The sum of the decimal places in the given example. So decimal places in the first example is 2 and decimal places are in the second example is 1. So total decimal places which is equal to 2 plus 1 3. So here answer is 90. We have to put the decimal point from right to left after 3 digits. So here multiplication is only 90, so we have to write down here 0090. So put here decimal point 1 2 3 and put then decimal point, because sum of the decimal places in the given decimals which is equal to 3. So that's why we have to leave the 3 digits from right to left, and after that we have to put the decimal point. So now 0.090, so your last digit is 0, right? So you can remove this 0, so your answer is 0.09. So that's why your option is option number C, 0.09. So this is the answer of question number 2. So now next example is example number 3. The value of 1.1 into 1.1 into 0.01. So here option number A 0.11, option number B 0.0011, option number C 1.1, option number D 10.11. So now remove the decimal point in the first number. So your answer is 11. Remove the decimal number from the second number. So your answer is 1. Again remove the decimal number. So again 001, that means 1. So what is the multiplication of these three numbers? 11 into 1 into 1. Answer is 11. Correct. Now sum of the decimal places in the given decimals. So here number of digits after this decimal point 1. In the second decimal number of digits again 1. In the third decimal number of digits after the decimal point 2. So sum of the decimal places in the given decimals, answer is 4. So but here our answer is 11, right? So 11 you can write 0000011. So put the decimal point from right to left after 4 digits. So you 1 2 3 4 and put here decimal point. So what is the 0.0011. So your answer is option number B, 0.0011. So this is the answer of question number 3. So now next example is example number 4. 0.5 into 0.05 is equal to option number A 0.25, option number B 0.025, option number C 2.50, option number D 0.025. So here remove the decimal point. So your answer is 5. Remove the decimal point from the second number. So your answer is again 5. So 5 5 is 25. So now the sum of the decimal places in the given decimals, which is equal to how many digits after this decimal point? 1, right? How many digits after this decimal point? 2. So your decimal places how much here? 1 plus 2, 3. But here given answer is 25, correct? So 25 you can write 0, 0, 2, 5. So here sum of the decimal places in the given decimals, which is equal to 3. So we have to put the decimal point from right to left after 3 digits. So here 1, 2, 3. So put here decimal point. So your answer is 0.025. So what is the answer here? Option number B, 0.025. So this is the answer of question number 4.